जय जगन्नाथ। आज क्लास रे आमे कंप्यूटर रे किछि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिवा जाके आपण मानकर अपकमिंग OSSC CHSL पई बहुत हेल्पफुल रहइबो। तेबे चलंतु क्लास टी स्टार्ट करिवा। ता पूर्व जदि आपण माने क्लास चैनल रे नुवा थांदी तेबे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिवा सहित वीडियो को लाइक करंतु। तेबे चलंतु देखिबा आज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देला डैश इज ए पोर्टेबल मल्टीटास्किंग मल्टी यूजर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डेवलप्ड बाय AT&T। Option A DOS, option B Window, option C Unix, na option D Linux। तार correct answer होगा option C Unix। Unix is a portable multitasking multi-user operating system originally developed by AT&T Bell Laboratories in 1970s। तार next question देला how will you move to next sheet in a workbook using shortcut using करगी next sheet को केमिति मूव करिया। ऑप्शन ए कंट्रोल प्लस पेज अप, ऑप्शन बी कंट्रोल प्लस पेज डाउन, ऑप्शन सी कंट्रोल प्लस अप आरो ना ऑप्शन डी कंट्रोल प्लस डाउन आरो। तार करेक्ट आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी कंट्रोल प्लस पेज डाउन। करेक्ट आंसर हो ऑप्शन बी कंट्रोल प्लस पेज डाउन। तापर देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देला डैश इज ए यूनिक एड्रेस फॉर एवरी कंप्यूटर connected to the internet। Dash is a unique address for every computer connected to the internet। Option A search engine address, option B memory address, option C IP address, na option D web address। तार correct answer होगा option C IP address। correct answer होगा option C IP address। तार देखिए next question। You can insert a new worksheet in Excel by pressing dash key। Excel ए new worksheet insert करिया पई कोन शॉर्टकट यूज कर shift plus F11, option B alt plus F11, option C shift plus F2, option D control plus F12। तार करेक्ट आंसर होबो ऑप्शन ए shift plus F11। करेक्ट आंसर कोन होबो ना ऑप्शन ए shift plus F11। तार देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The second generation of computer is known as option A era of circuit, option B era of vacuum tubes, option C era of microchips, and option D era of transistor। यार correct answer होगा option D era of transistor। तापर देखिए next question। The number of specified characters defined in ASCII coding system is the number of specified character ASCII। option A 256, option B 128, option C 104, and option D 16। तार correct answer होगा option B 128 character। ASCII रो full form कौन ना American Standard Code for Information Interchange। is a coding system defined 128 characters including letters, numbers, punctuation marks and control characters। तापर देखिए next question। Which type of software are the following DOS, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Unix और Linux। ये सब को सॉफ्टवेयर गुड़ाक कौन। ऑप्शन ए लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, ना ऑप्शन बी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर, ना यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर, ना एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर। तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन होबो ना करेक्ट आंसर होबो ऑप्शन बी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर। ऑपरेटिंग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देला the image file format PNG stands for the image file format PNG stands for portable network group, portable network graphics, programming network group, ना personal network graphics। तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन होबो ना करेक्ट आंसर होबो ऑप्शन बी portable network graphics PNG रो फुल फॉर्म। तापर देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which of the following is Linux operating system। भितर कोडा Linux operating system। ऑप्शन ए Mac operating system, option B IBM AIX, option C Fedora, option D HP UX। तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन होबो ना करेक्ट आंसर होबो ऑप्शन C Fedora। तापर देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इन MS Word लैंडस्केप इज एन ऑप्शन फॉर लैंडस्केप टा कौन। ऑप्शन ए पेज ओरिएंटेशन, ऑप्शन बी पेपर साइज, ऑप्शन सी वेब लेआउट, ना ऑप्शन डी फ्रंट स्टाइल। तार करेक्ट आंसर होबो कौन ना ऑप्शन ए पेज ओरिएंटेशन। तापर देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which of the following are examples of storage device except every कोटा storage device नुहे floppy option B CD option C hard disk option D printer तार correct answer होबो option D printer तापर देखिए next question देला which type of printer are laser printers and inkjet printers which type of printers are laser printers and inkjet printers option A LED printers option B impact printers option C non impact printers option D 3D printers तार correct answer होबो option C non impact printers Yeah, impact printer कौन ना printers that use a mechanical mechanism to physically strike ink into paper through a ribbon ना कौन कहया ना impact printer example कौन ना dot matrix digital wheel link ink printer तार characteristics तापर देखिए non impact printer कौन ना printers that use non mechanical methods like lasers inkjets or thermal transfer to create image paper এটা হলো non impact printer তার দেখে next question dash stores general information about files like file name type size and address option A FAT FAT option B TAT option C CPU না option D MU তার correct answer কোন হবে না option A FAT FAT file allocation table stores general information about files তারপর দেখে next question দিলা who invented tabulator which is used to punch cards to process statistical information. Option A. Herman Hollerith. Option B. Ada Lovelace. Option C. Alan Turing. Option D. Mary Henry. तार correct answer होगा option A. Herman Hollerith जे कि tabulator invented करथिले. तार देखिए next question. The application used for viewing web pages is known as the application used to viewing web pages is known as email ms word browser na powerpoint web page देखिया ପାଇଁ option C यार correct answer होबो browser तार next question what does FCFS means in operating system FCFS रो full form कोन से पचारला जार की correct देखियो option देला fast com fast system fast common file system na fast common fast service तार correct answer होबो option A fast com fast sort तार correct answer होबो option A fast com fast sort तार next question who will you invoke a save as dialog box in MS Word document using shortcut how will you invoke a save as dialog box option A F11 option B F10 option C F7 option D F12 तार correct answer कौन होबो ना correct answer होबो option D F12 तार देखिए next question how will you insert a large capital letter in the beginning of a paragraph in MS Word how will you insert a large capital letter in the beginning of a paragraph in MS Word option A insert drop cap option B insert object option C insert quick pads option D insert word art तार correct answer होबो option A insert drop cap तार देखिए next question you can easily insert the current date in MS in an Excel cell using the keyboard shortcut you can easily insert the current date in Excel cell using the keyboard shortcut option A Ctrl+1 option B Ctrl+V option C Ctrl+ semicolon na option D Ctrl+ hashtag तार correct answer होबो option C Ctrl+ semicolon तापर देखिए next question देला the communication medium VoIP stands for voice over internet protocol voice online internet protocol voice on internet protocol na voice over internet processing तार correct answer कौन होबो ना option A voice over internet protocol तार देखिए next question you are creating a document in MS Word or mathematical equation how will you raise the text in the smaller size as power of x option A कौन देला ना use formula from font option B use subscript for font use superscript for font use webding from font तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हम ना हमर कौन करिया पड़ियो ना इक्वेशन हेले एटा कौन हम ऊपर लिखले सुपरस्क्रिप्ट हम तार करेक्ट आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी सुपरस्क्रिप्ट फ्रॉम फॉन्ट। तार नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन in 1983 Chester Carlson invented the electrophotographic dry printing process known as electrophotographic dry printing process Xerox ना ऑप्शन बी डॉट मैट्रिक्स ना ऑप्शन सी डेजी व्हील ना ऑप्शन डी लेजर। तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो ना ऑप्शन ए जेरॉक्स। करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन ए जेरॉक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन dash is a signal emitted by hardware or software when a process or an event needs immediate attention. Dash is a signal emitted by the hardware or software when a process or an event needs immediate attention. Option A message, option B interrupt, option C alert, option D polling. तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो तार करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी interrupt. An interrupt is a signal emitted by the hardware or software when a process or an event needs immediate attention. Next question. How will you hide a selected row in Excel using shortcut? How will you hide a selected row in Excel using shortcut? Option A Ctrl plus 8, option B Ctrl plus 0, option C Ctrl plus C, option D Ctrl plus 1. The correct answer is option C Ctrl plus C. Next question. How do we address the cell at 4th row 5th column in Excel? How will we address the cell at 4th row and 5th column? A B C D E 5th column रे 4th row 1 2 3 4 तो एटा को हम कोन लिखिया 4E। तार करेक्ट आंसर कोन हबो नार करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन सी 4E। तापर देखिया नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Dash is a folder on the hard disk which stores all objects visited on the web. Option A documents, option B personal, option C temp, and option D cache. तार करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन डी cache फाइल। ऑप्शन डी cache। तार देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। How will you call an interface between the motherboard and an external device? How will you call an interface between the motherboard and an external device as a register, bus, interface, ना port? तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो ना करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन डी port. Port कोन ना interface for connecting external device to the computer. Bus कोन ना communication pathway for data transfer among internal components within the computer. Next question. Documents file format PDF stands for document file format PDF ର full form कौन से पचार? Option A portable document format, option B printable document format, option C permanent document format, ना option D personal document format. तो करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो ना करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन ए portable document format. तार देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। A computer motherboard has independent signal paths to send electronic back and forth among its various components called. A computer motherboard has independent signal paths to send electronics back and forth among its various components called. Option A BIOS, option B buses, option C flash memory, and option D CMOS. The correct answer is option B buses. Buses are independent signal path on the computer motherboard that used to send electronic signal back and forth among its various components. The next question. A program causing page faults very few instructions is called. A program causing page faults every few instructions is called. Option A memory hold, option B memory mapping, option C thrashing, option D tagging. Our correct answer कौन होगा? Option C thrashing is a condition in which a program causes page faults every few instructions, leading to a significant slowdown in system performance. That is the next question. What will happen if the mail does not contain the subject while sending? What will happen if the mail does not contain the subject while sending? The correct answer कौन होगा? Option A देखिए option A देला mail will not to be sent. Option B prompt asking to send mail without a subject. Option C mail will send normally. Option D none of the. The correct answer कौन होगा? Correct answer होगा option C mail will send normally. यदि किसी subject नहीं ताले mail will be sent normally. ताले next question. What is S in HTTPS stands for? Option A selected, option B secure, option C software, and option D system. The correct answer होगा कौन? Option B secure. Option B secure. The next question. A dash is a device that forwards packets between networks, routing information including in the packet. A dash is a device that forwards packets between networks routing information including in the packet. Option A bridge, option B firewall, option C router, and option D hub. The correct answer कौन होगा? Option C a router is a device that forwards packets between network based on the routing information including in the packet headers. So the next question. Data communication system within a building. Data communication system within a building. कौन कहेगा? LAN, MAN, WAN ना PAN. तो correct answer कौन होगा? ना option A कौन होगा? ना LAN, local area network. तो देखिए next question. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Option B Open Optical Service Implementation. Option B C. Option C Operating System Interface. And option D Open Service Internet. The correct answer कौन होगा? ना option A OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection. तब देखिए next question. HTTP is dash protocol. HTTP is application layer. Option B transfer layer. Option C network layer. And option D data link layer. The correct answer कौन होगा? ना option A is option A HTTP hypertext transfer protocol operates at an applications layer of the OSI Open System Interconnection model. तब देखिए next question. The process of division of memory spaces is called. The process of division of memory spaces is called. Option A tagging, option B segmentation, option C bifurcation, option D dynamic division. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना option B segmentation. The process of dividing memory spaces into segments is called segmentation. तार देखिए next question. Which tool do you use to create query object in MS Access? Which tool do you use to create query objects in MS Access? Option A database wizard, option B simple filter wizard, option C simple query wizard, ना option D table query wizard. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना option C simple query wizard. In Microsoft Access, you use the simple query wizard to create query objects. Next question. Control plus D in MS Excel. MS Excel le Control plus D to काम कौन? Open the font dialog box. Option B apply double underline for the active cell. Option C fill down in the selection. And option D none of these. The correct answer of option C fill down the selection. In Microsoft Excel, pressing Ctrl plus D is a shortcut to fill down the contents of the cell from the cell above it. ଆପଣ ଯଦି Ctrl plus D ର କାମ କଣ ନା below cell କୁ fill up କରିବ ଯାହା ଅଛି from the above cell. ତା next question. In MS Excel, long text can be taken down into many lines within a cell. You can do this through
In MS Excel, long text can be broken down into many lines within a cell. You can do this through option A, wrap text in format, option B, justify in edit cells, option C, text wrapping in format cells. Now all of these above. The correct answer is option C, text wrapping in format cells under ତାର କଣ ହେଲା MS Excel long text can be broken down into many lines within a cell. To break down the long text into multiple lines within a cell in MS Excel, you can use wrap text option which is found under format cells. So the correct answer is option C. ତାପରେ next question ଦେଲା, what PowerPoint feature will you use to apply motion effects to different objects of a slide? What PowerPoint feature will you use to apply motion effects to different objects in a slide? Option A, slide transition, option B, slide design, option C, animation object, ना option D, animation scheme. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना option C, animation object. Animation object कौन? Now this is the correct answer. Animation object in PowerPoint allows you to animate individual objects on a slide. You can specify how objects enter, exist, behave on during the presentation to enhance visible interest and convenience information dynamically. Slide transition कौन? ना slide transition controls how slides move from one to the next during the presentation. Slide design कौन? ना slide design refers to the overall layout, color scheme and style applied to the slides in a presentation. Now next question. Next question देला, what shortcut key is used to split MS Word? Option A, Control plus Shift plus Enter. Option B, Alt plus Space plus Enter. Option C, Control plus Alt plus Enter. Option D, Alt plus Shift plus Enter. The correct answer is option C, Control plus Alt plus Enter is the shortcut key used to insert a page break or split the content in Microsoft Word. The next question. What is the shortcut key for find and replace dialog box in MS Word? What is the shortcut key for find and replace dialog box in MS Word? Option A, Control plus H. Option B, Control plus Shift plus F. Option C, Control plus R. And option D, Control plus F. The correct answer is option A, Control plus H. Correct answer is option A, Control plus H. This shortcut key opens the find and replace dialog box. Control plus F कौन? Now this shortcut key used to open the find dialog box. The find dialog box open करो, find और replace by Control plus H. So the next question. In MS window, help window can be opened by help window can be opened by option A, F2, option B, F9, option C, F11, option D, F1. The correct answer होगा कौन? ना option C, F11. Sorry, help F1. The correct answer is option D, F1. To open the help window in Microsoft window, you can press F1 key. This key is universal shortcut for help in many software applications. That's the next question. What is the maximum number columns that can be inserted in MS Word? MS Word रे केतेटा maximum column रही परियो? Option A 55, option B 65, option C 40, ना option D 4. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना correct answer होगा option B 65. In Microsoft Word, the maximum number of columns that can be inserted in a document is 65. And next question. Dash controls all the main slides control tags for your presentation in MS PowerPoint. What controls all the main slides control tags for your presentation in MS PowerPoint? Option A, tags pane. Option B, tags bar. Option C, control panel. And option D, none of these. The correct answer कौन होगा? Option C, control panel. Control panel controls all the main slides control tags for your presentation. Next question. A partitions dash a web browser window so that multiple web documents can be displayed simultaneously. Simultaneously multiple window ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ. Option A frame, option B set, ନା option C କଣ ନା farm set, ନା option D dive. ତାର correct answer କଣ ହବ? ନା correct answer ହବ option C farm set. A farm set partitions a web browser window so that multiple web documents can be displayed simultaneously in a separate frames. তারপর দেখি next question. Website is a collection of HTML documents. Option B graphics files, option C audio and video files, na option D all of these above. তার correct answer হবো option D all of the above. HTML document ରହୁଛି, graphics files ରହୁଛି, audio video files ବି ରହୁଛି. ତାର ଦେଖିବା next question. The server on the internet is also known as repeater, host, gateway, AND get. তার correct answer হবো option B host. The server on the internet is also known as host. A host is a computer or a device that provides service to other computers or devices on the network, such as service web pages, hosting files, or providing email service. The next question. Which among the following protocol allows files to be transferred from one computer to another computer? Option A TCP/IP, option B FTP, option C HTTF, option D none. তার correct answer কোন হবে? Option B FTP, File Transfer Protocol. The next question. You must install a dash on a network if you want to share a broadband internet connection. You must install a dash on a network if you want to share the broadband internet connection. Option A router, option B modem, option C node, option D cable. তার correct answer কোন হবে? Option A router. Router essentially for sharing a broadband internet connection on a network by managing connections between device and the internet. And the next question. Personal logs or journal entries posted on the web are known as personal logs or journal entries posted on the web known as listverse, option B webcasts, option C blogs, option D subject directories. তার correct answer কোন হবে? তার correct answer হবে option C blogs. তাহলে next question. What is the main folder on the storage device called? What is the main folder on the storage device called? Option A root directory, option B interface, option C device driver, option D platform. তার correct answer কোন হবে? Option A root directory. The main folder on the storage device is called root directory. Again, next question. Which PowerPoint view displays each slide of the presentation as a thumbnail and is useful for rearranging slides? Which PowerPoint view displays each slides মানে প্রত্যেক slide of the presentation as the thumbnail and useful for arranging slides? तो देखिए ऑप्शन कौन दीजिए. ऑप्शन ए देला स्लाइड सॉर्टर, ऑप्शन बी स्लाइड शोर, ऑप्शन सी स्लाइड मास्टर, ऑप्शन डी नोट्स पेज. तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो? यार करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन ए स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू. The slide sorter view in PowerPoint displays all the slides in a presentation as thumbnails. The next question. If a previously saved file is edited, যদি ওটা previously saved file edit করা যাবে তাহলে the change will automatically be saved in the file. Option B name must be changed. Option C the file will only have to be saved again if it more than one page in length. Option D the file must be saved again to store the change. The correct answer of option D the file must be saved again to store the change. Option D have our correct answer. Then next question. The extension of saved file in MX Excel is the extension of saved file in MX Excel dot XLS na B ହେଲା dot XAS na dot XLSX ନା dot LXSL ତାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର କଣ ହବ? ନା କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହବ କଣ? ନା ଅପସନ A dot XLS. ତାର ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍. Date and time are available on the desktop. କୋଉଠି ଡେସ୍କଟପ୍ ର କୋଉଠି ଡେଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେଖାଯାଏ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ମାଇ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ରିସାଇକେଲ ବିନ୍, ନା ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଟାସ୍କ ବାର୍, ନା ଅପସନ୍ ଡି କିବୋର୍ଡ। ତାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର କଣ ହବ? ନା କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହବ ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଟାସ୍କ ବାର୍। The date and time are typically displayed on the task bar of a computer's desktop. ତାର ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍. To save an existing document with different file name, we should click on. To save an existing document with different file name, we should click on save on the file menu, save as on the file menu. Option C control plus S, option D none of these above. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना option B save as on the file menu. Next question. What is the default file extension for all Word documents? What is the default file extension for all Word document? Option A dot WRD, option B dot docx, option C dot dos, option D dot file. तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो? ना करेक्ट आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी डॉट docx. का भाई ना वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट पे एक्सटेंशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पीडीएफ स्टैंड्स फॉर. पीडीएफ रो फुल फॉर्म कौन? ना पोर्टेबल डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट, ऑप्शन बी पोर्टेबल डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल, ना ऑप्शन सी पोर्टेबल डॉक्यूमेंट फोल्डर, ना ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस अबव. तार करेक्ट आंसर कौन हबो? ना ऑप्शन ए पोर्टेबल डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. You can add a hyperlink to your worksheet by pressing. You can add a hyperlink to your worksheet by pressing Alt plus K, Control plus K, option C Control plus H, option D Control plus Shift plus K. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना option B Control plus K. Control plus K hyperlink add करेगा बोले. तो next question कौन अछि? Which of the following is used to switch between open programs? Which of the following is used to switch between open programs? Alt plus tab, option B Control plus tab, option C Shift plus tab, option D Control plus Alt. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना correct answer होगा option A Alt plus tab. Next question. A group of computers when connected together in a small area without the help of telephone lines is called. A group of computers when connected together in a small area without the help of telephone line or help बिना is called VAN, value added network, ना local area network, ना remote communication network, ना wide area network. तार correct answer कौन होगा? ना option C local area network. तो next question. Which menu option is used to add header and footer in a document? Header और footer पे ही हमें को option use करते हैं. Option A file, option B review, option C insert, ना option D mailing. तो correct answer कौन होगा? ना option C insert. तो next question. In MS Word document, how can spelling and grammar errors are be detected? In MS Word document, how can spelling and grammar error are detected? Option A press Shift plus F7, ना Control plus F7, ना Alt plus F7, ना केवल F7. तार correct answer कौन हो? Correct answer of option D F7. In MS Word document, pressing F7 opens the spelling and grammar dialog box, which allows you to detect and correct spelling and grammar errors. तार देखिए next question. Portrait and landscapes are portrait और landscape दिटांग कौन? ना पेज ओरिएंटेशन, ना पेपर साइज, पेज लेआउट, ना पेज मार्जिन. तो करेक्ट आंसर कौन होगा? ना ऑप्शन ए पेज ओरिएंटेशन. देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन पेज प्रीव्यू मोड रे you can see all pages of your document you can only see pages that do not contain graphics. Option C, you can only see pages you are working currently. Option D, you can only see the title page of your document. The correct answer of option A, you can see all pages of your document. Page preview mode. Next question. To move to the beginning of a line of text, should press the dash key. To move to the beginning of the line of text, should press dash key. Page up key, shift, na home key, na enter key. The correct answer कौन होगा? ना option C, home key. The next question. Processors contain a control unit and a processor with a control unit ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ control processor ଆଉ କଣ ଥାଏ control unit ଆଉ କଣ CPU and କଣ ଥାଏ primary storage unit, input unit, arithmetic logic unit ନା output unit. The correct answer ହେବ arithmetic logic unit ALU. CPU, a processor CPU contains two main components, control unit and arithmetic logic unit. Control unit directs the operations of the processor, telling it how to execute instructions. Arithmetic logic unit performs arithmetical and logical operations on the data. Next question dela. Which is the shortcut key to insert a new worksheet in MS Excel? Control plus W, Control plus N, Shift plus W, na Shift plus F11. The correct answer कौन होगा? ना option D, Shift plus F11 to insert a new worksheet in MS Excel. That is next question. Main memory टा गोटे कौन random access memory, serial access memory, option read only memory, ना option D storage memory. Main memory टा गोटे कौन ना option A random access memory. आ भीतर main memory कौन ना random access memory. जो next question. In MS PowerPoint, which key can be used to view slideshow? In MS PowerPoint, which key can be used to view slideshow? F1, F2, F5, F10. The correct answer कौन होगा? Option C, F5. Then next question. In MS Excel, to select the entire row, which shortcut key is used? In MS Excel, to select the entire row, which shortcut key is used? Option A, Shift plus space. Option B, Control plus space. Option C, Alt plus space. And option D, Control plus N. The correct answer कौन होगा? Option A, Shift plus space. That is the next question. Shortcut for displaying the full page as they are to be printed is shortcut for displaying the full page as they are to be printed. Control plus F1, Control plus F2, option C, Shift plus F1, option D, Shift plus F1, F2. The correct answer कौन होगा? The correct answer होगा option B, Control plus F2. तर देखिए next question. Two tables can be linked with relationships so that the data integrity can be enforced. Where can you find relationship command? Two tables can be linked with relationship so that the data integrity can be enforced. Where can you find relationship command? Relationship command could be home tab, option B, create tab, option C, external data tab, and option D, database tab. The correct answer of option D, database tab. The Microsoft Access, you can find relationship command under the database tool tab. That is the next question. MS Word is a MS Word tabular data formatting software, word processing software, presentation software. Option D, email client. The correct answer कौन होगा? Option B, word processing software. The next question. A barcode is dash code that represents data with bars of varying width and heights. Option A, barcode out कौन? Option A, read code. Option B, magnetic, ना optical, ना laser. The correct answer कौन होगा? ना correct answer होगा option C, optical code. Barcode out है optical code. At the next question. Control Shift and Alt are called dash key. Control Shift and Alt को कोड की कहते. Option A, adjustment. Option B, functions. Option B, function. Option C, modifier. ना option D, alphanumeric. The correct answer कौन होगा? ना option C, modifier. Which of these keys is not on the number keyboard? Which of these keys is not on the number keyboard? Option A, control. Option B, delete, option C enter, option D number lock. तार correct answer कौन होगा ना option C enter. Yeah, next question. Which of the following is used to connect different external device? Which of the following is used to connect different external device? Option A address bus, option B data bus, option C control bus, ना option D external bus. तार correct answer कौन होगा ना correct answer होगा option D external bus. External bus कौन ना connect external device like peripherals, storage and networking components into computer system for data exchange. तार देखा next question. Next question देला the following message is displayed on the browser while trying to access a URL service. Error 440 error 403. The reason of this message is error 403 कौन देखा जाए. The requested HTML file is not available. Now option B the path to the interpreter of the script file is invalid. Now option C the URL refers to the CGI script and the header of the script does not indicate where the interpreter is located. Option D the requested HTML file or CGI script has insufficient permission. The correct answer कौन होगा ना correct answer होगा option D insufficient permission. Option D the error 403 occurs when the server understands the request but refuses to authorize it. This typically means that the server's permission settings are not allowing the requested file or script to be accessed. The next question. What is BCC in mail? BCC कौन ना block content creation, behind content copy, blind carbon copy, ना option D none of these. The correct answer कौन होगा ना option C blind carbon copy BCC. Next question. In a browser the URL of the current page is displayed at in a browser URL of the current page is displayed URL टा को display करे tool bar रे address bar रे title bar रे ना menu bar रे. तार correct answer होगा option B address bar. This is the area when web browser where the current URL or web address of the page you are viewing displayed. कोठी ना address bar. Next question. DNS stands for domain name system. Option B domain name signal. Option C domain name server. Na option D domain number system. The correct answer होगा option A domain name system. That's correct answer. Next question. A network that is connected to the internet but uses encryption to scramble all the data sent through the internet is called. A network that is connected to the internet but uses encryption use करती to scramble all the data sent through the internet is called my network, virtual private network, social network. Option D internet service provider. The correct answer कौन होगा option B virtual private network VPN. A VPN creates a secure connection over a public network such as the internet. Yeah, next question. Which of the following is used to create a pivot table in Microsoft Access? Pivot table wizard, pivot table design view, SQL view, ना all of these above. तो correct answer कौन होगा ना pivot table wizard option A. Okay, next question. In which of the following is used to summarize data in a table of Microsoft Access? In which of the following is used to summarize data in a Microsoft Access? Option A report, option B query, option B form, option D table design view. The correct answer कौन होगा ना correct answer होगा option A report. In Microsoft Access a report is used to summarize data in a table. The next question. In MS Access to create relationship between two tables. In MS Access to create relationships between two tables, drag the primary key from the table into foreign key. Drag the primary key of a table into foreign key of another table. Now option B drag any field from parent table and drop on child table. Now option C drag the foreign key of a table into the primary key of another table. Now option D any of the above can be done. Create relationship. The correct answer होगा कौन ना option A drag the primary key of the table into the foreign key of another table. Next question, a cookie টা କ'ଣ? Storage information about the user's web activity. Option B, stores software developed by the user. Option C, stores the password of the user. Option D, stores the commands user used by the user. Option A correct answer habo stores information about the user's activity. Next question, how can you define a field so that when enter data for that field it will display star 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 instead of the actual type text in MS Access? The correct answer କ'ଣ habo? Option A, input max. Option B, validation rule. Option C, indexed. Option D, IME mode. The correct answer କ'ଣ habo? The correct answer habo option A, valid input mask. The next question, what happens when you realize mouse pointer after you drop the primary key of the table into foreign key of another table? What happens when you release mouse pointer after you drop the primary key of the table into foreign key of another table? Option A, relationship is created. Option B, edit relationship dialog box appears. Option C, error occurs. Option D, nothing happens. The correct answer habo option B, edit relationship dialog box appears. Next question, which of the following feature allow you to select more than one slide in slide sorter view in Microsoft PowerPoint? Which of the following feature allow you to select more than one slide in slide sorter view in Microsoft PowerPoint? Option A, Alt plus click each slide. Shift plus drag each slide. Shift plus click each slide. Option D, click plus Control plus click each side. The correct answer of option D, Control plus click each side. Next question, how to show the same presentation continuously in Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint रे same presentation को continuously loop रे केमती देखिए? Option A, by enabling the option loop continuously until escape. Option B, enabling the option show same presentation. Option C, by enabling the option repeat presentation. Option D, presentation cannot be continue once it finished. The correct answer କ'ଣ ହବ? ନା option A, loop continues until escape. ତ ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା ଆଜିର ଗୋଟେ rapid fire କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଥିଲା। ଯଦି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଥାଏ ତେବେ କ୍ଲାସ୍କୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବା ସହିତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।